Good evening. This is me again, Jammy, as you can see from my shirt and from my dog tag. This shirt, I made this like 3 years ago, so never mind about this. Forgive the font, cause it sucks, like big time, frickin' sucks. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you guys today what happened. What happened to my phone? Cause my iPhone, it's not open line. So when I put in my SIM card, it it needs to get hacked. And you call this SIM card, you call that GV SIM, and it's not really open lining it. It's like enabling the local signals for your service provider. And now, what the fuck, okay? Cause like when I woke up, it was showing no signal, and I was like, hell, no signal. How will I text my homies? How will I text my family? How will I text my service provider just to make my phone ring? Cause I'm cool, and my phone always rings. And if no one texts me, I text my service provider, and and all hopes will fall if if my service provider doesn't work with me. So I got pissed. So the whole day my SIM card was crashing. I keep on trying to restart my phone. So come dismissal time, I went to this place near my house. It's called Cabal. There's this mall there. It's called Alley Mall where there's tons of cell phone stores. And actually, I told the guy to fix my phone, and he said that, yo, dude, your phone's broken. You should probably quit school and do drugs and like drink alcohol every day and steal money from the bank because your phone's broken. And I was like, dude, that's my phone you're talking to, okay? No one messes with my phone. So I went home, went inside the bathroom. First thing I did, and then just switched off, switched on repeatedly my phone, and then suddenly my carrier appears, and I was like, whoa, this thing's impossible, because I've been trying it the whole day and it's not working, and now it suddenly works, and I'm like, whoa. I do believe in Jesus. I do believe in unicorns. I do believe in Peter Pan. I do believe in Tinkerbell. Oh, shout out to my homies on Facebook, because they want me to do more vlogs. And my life's so annoying. And my poster's over here. So that's what happened during my day. We have math long test tomorrow and haven't studied yet because of this stupid vlog. And now I'm uploading on YouTube in 3, 2, 1. Thank y'all. Good evening.